heyLevi just launched their new image AI and I can't wait to show you it. Forget struggling with Canva or settling for generic stock images. This is next level stuff. Image AI creates any design of your description in seconds with zero design skills needed. Whether you're aiming to make images for your social media or come up with a new logo or even update your website, this tool's got you covered. And the best part, it's so user-friendly. You'll be pumping out pro-level visuals faster than ever. Let me show you how it works. So first things first, we're going to come into heyLevi and scoot over to Image AI on the left, just underneath content. And the first things we're going to do is choose from one of the 12 presets presented here. Now, as you can see, they all have examples of the style of preset that we're looking for. So just choose the one that most closely matches what you're looking for. So for this example, I'm going to choose comic book. The next question is, are we creating a square, horizontal, or vertical image? I'm going to use this for social media, so I'm going to choose square. Next, all you have to do is just describe the image you're looking to create. So I already have a prompt here, which is woman excitedly looking shocked at laptop at desk in casual clothes with money shooting out of her laptop screen. Now, if you're feeling particularly pro, you could come down to the advanced settings and work through any of these, but you absolutely do not need to. These options here will allow you to dial in the image more specifically for what you're looking for. For example, you could choose your lighting, ambient lighting, backlighting. You could also choose any particular colors that you're looking for as well. But for this purpose of this example, I'm just gonna collapse all of those and we're just gonna see what it generates. So let's click generate and see what it does. And here we have it, our first option. Brilliant. Absolutely nailed it. Done exactly what I asked for it. Women looking excitedly at a laptop with money shooting out of the screen. So let's say you liked that one, but maybe you want to play around with a few more. It's so easy to do. Just scroll back up to the top and we can choose another style. So let's choose graffiti art for this one. I'm going to keep, it's exactly the same, and I'm going to click regenerate. And as you can see here is the second version. Great, I'm giggling because I think these are just so spot on the money. Let's do a third one. Let's pick storybook illustration. Again, I'm keeping everything the same. Let's click regenerate. And here is our storybook version. This one is actually my favorite. I love this one. So as you can see here, we can scroll through all three of our options here. And if we wanted to download any of these, we could click select this image, go to next, and it'll enable us to just simply download. You can also download all the images if you prefer. Now, let's say that you are getting your images and you're thinking, okay, I might want to make some changes to the description. Then just simply make those changes and click regenerate. Let's do that now. Okay, so I changed the description to be a man excitedly looking shocked at laptop at the desk in a business suit with money shooting out of the laptop screen. And here we go. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. So guys, have a play around with this tool. Honestly, it's going to be such a shortcut for creating social media images, updating your website, or even logos. Have a play and see what you can do.